Hello folks, and welcome to another one of my videos. I've recently just come back from another holiday in Norway. This time it was my wife and myself went. We hired a car and I visited a place that I passed before on the motorbike. It's Tvindefossen Waterfall. Now, I didn't stop the last time, but the road that led me to that waterfall was quite impressive. Now, I did say that I'd finished all my 2025 videos for this year in 2026, but however I've always had this one in the back pocket and always liked it, so I thought this would be a good share for me to show you the route that I took to get to the waterfall, and then you'll get to see some of the waterfall at the end. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. It's Alex. Bye. Now this is the road the guy said to take to get back onto the main road. Yeah, that's pretty clever. Lovely. It's a view and a half. There we go. 50, eh? That's wishful thinking. Ooh, look at that. Take a moment to take that in. Fabulous. The guy did say this was a twisty road, up and down. He was spot on. These videos are definitely not for everyone. Probably most folk find them boring, but I enjoy recording my rides, and why not, eh? This is great fun. The NT is handling these roads with absolute ease. It handles so well, it's well behaved. You can get it over when you need to. Brakes supreme. Now we've got a wee switch back. A little hairpin. You wouldn't want to go off the end of that, would you? Eh? Isn't that lovely? See what I mean about that? Nice tight turn. Bike goes round it easily. You just got to have confidence in the bike that the bike will behave itself. On the VFR I wouldn't have been so sure. I capped my brakes at times, eh? Now, my confidence was definitely taken a hit when I dropped the bike doing a UE. The only time I've ever dropped the bike. I know what I did wrong, I know why I did it wrong, and
never do it again, but it just means that I'm very careful when I do it. Even with bikes that can do them, no bother. Just an inbuilt safety mechanism, I suppose. You can see the main road coming along. Now we're heading north again. The wind's out. We're going to go right, I believe. Yep, we're going to go right. Oh, that's water. Look at it, it's glass. Holy Moses. Not a ripple. Steep that hill is. Yet another waterfall. You see it coming down from over there, down there. Houses. I'll be getting this. This is just on the main road.
The Tvindefossen Waterfall is about 100 metres high, and what a spectacular view it is too. As you would expect from a waterfall, and standing in front of it you get a lot of water spray, so excuse the fingers across the screen. Busy place, and it's easy to get to, easy access from the main road, and there's parking galore, although you're limited about 20 minutes they say. What a beautiful sight it is, Mother Nature at its best. That water cascading down over the rocks, and it was quite busy, as my wife Mags. As you can see, it was a very different day from the bike ride. The bike ride was sunny and clear, today was misty and wet. Very atmospheric nonetheless. We had a great time here, had a great holiday indeed. It was beautiful. I'm going to leave you with some more footage of the drive after I've left the waterfall, heading along there up the road north. It's such a beautiful ride. I thought I'd share that little bit at the end. There's only about 2 or 3 minutes of it, played to music. I hope you enjoyed this little video, a bit of combination between almost a year apart, I would say, to the day of footage. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet. Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head. Wanna lay down, overthink. I wanna cry every tear I got. Put on a dress, be a stranger's dream. Lock up this heart of mine, wanna wear it on my sleeve. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go. Find someone new, and I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Wanna throw away your vanity. Wanna wear it to sleep tonight. Wanna wipe our slate clean. Wanna pick this thing up right where we left off. Wanna block your number, take one last time, make it another. Wish I was one or the other. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go. Find someone new, and I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. If it's black, it's white. If it's wrong, it's right. Soon as I pick one, I switch sides. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go.